Okay, so this is a little quick ASMR video, but tell me why this was so hard to record. Let me tell you, it's been a while since I cleaned my fridge. I believe it's been like a month or so, but okay, we got it done. I usually restock like once a month or like twice a week because groceries these days, let me tell you, they are not cheap. Okay, but tell me why cleaning out the bottom fridge is so hard. I mean, why? I mean, like, how does it get this dirty? Up to this point, this mama was so exhausted, but we got this fridge cleaned.